Hey there, Licknriffers, how are you doing? Apparently, Donner has done it again. They have just released the Hush C portable, light, silent, earphone training, and yet electric travel classical guitar. Okay, as you can see behind me, they already have the electric guitar and the acoustic guitar. Yeah, the acoustic guitar is right there. And now they have finally completed the collection with the silent Hush C classical guitar, which is absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely wonderful and it sounds amazing plugged in. Okay, first of all, you have the earphone option, which is why this guitar was created in the first place. And you can also take out these. Okay, you don't really need this in order to play. You can just play it like this. Okay, this is really, really awesome. Okay, and let's plug in so you can hear. Okay, so now I'm plugged in, no effects, nothing, just clean amp. Hey, listen to how clean and beautiful the sound is. Okay, this is the sound that you get from the earphones. So nice just taking this out, outside, and everybody walks up to you and asks you, what is this guitar? I've never seen this type of guitar before. And it's just amazing. Now, let me also show you the bag. Okay, the bag is also pretty tight. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty nice, and everything fits in perfectly. Okay, fits in perfectly. There's a slot for the guitar, and there are slots for the frame. And it's Donner, so you get a strap as well, and you get a PL with it, and you get this. Okay, now let me show you what this does. Okay, they have come up with a really nice way to adjust the truss rod. It's really simple. Okay, it's a wheel, so they have this unique Allen wrench that they've designed that you can just plug in and twist, which is really nice. The tuning system, the Headless tuning system is pretty ingenious. It's super accurate. It keeps your tuning for a long, long time. And the preamp here is terrific. And for the price, as always, this is Donner's biggest selling point. The price is worth every penny. Okay, this guitar sounds just as good as many, many, many other classical guitars, that plug into an amp and, cost 3 or 4 times as much. And this is a quality guitar. This is not just a travel guitar. This is actually a quality classical guitar. Okay, an electric classical guitar, because you can't really play it unplugged. That's the whole point of the Hush series. It's silent guitars, but as you can hear, you don't really have to be silent. And you can plug this in. It's an electro classical guitar. Yeah, you can plug it in. And make some noise. It doesn't have to be a silent guitar, but the whole point is the earphones. Okay, so Donner has done it again. I love their vision and their guitarist-friendly approach, because even though they started with affordable guitars that felt and sounded like affordable guitars. They have since completely turned everything around and started creating these amazing quality guitars for, you know, for a fraction of the price of any other brand. And these guitars are awesome. Awesome. Truly, truly awesome. Just off yourself. So I highly, highly recommend it. Thank you, Donner, for sending me this guitar to review and test. Absolutely love it. And you guys and girls, Licknriffers, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.